What if I told you that one free AI tool could replace an entire beginner online business setup? No designer, no writer, no editor, no voice actor, no expensive software. Just a phone, free AI tools, and an internet connection. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you a complete AI income system that anyone can start today, even if you have zero money, zero audience, and zero experience. Not theory, not motivation, a real step-by-step system. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact free AI tools to use, how to turn AI into digital products, how creators are building online income with simple systems, and how you can start today. Because right now, most people are using AI for entertainment, but a small percentage of people are using AI to build assets that make money. And that difference changes everything. A few months ago, I kept seeing videos about people making money with AI. Everywhere I looked, it was make $10,000 with ChatGPT, passive income with AI, and faceless YouTube automation. And honestly, most of it sounded fake because nobody was showing a real beginner-friendly system. They showed screenshots, big numbers, and luxury lifestyles, but never the actual process. So instead of chasing hype, I decided to test the tools myself. Not with money, not with paid ads, not with a team, just free tools. And what I discovered completely changed the way I think about making money online. Because AI is not magic. AI is leverage. It helps one person do the work of 5 people. And once I understood that, everything clicked. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is the center of the entire system. This is where ideas become products. Most beginners use ChatGPT completely wrong. They ask vague questions and get vague answers. But when you give ChatGPT detailed instructions, the quality changes instantly. For example, instead of saying, "Give me business ideas," you say, "Act as a digital product strategist. Give me 10 beginner-friendly digital product ideas for people interested in AI and productivity. Include target audience, format, problem solved, and price range." That single prompt can generate an entire business direction instantly for free. Then you go deeper. You ask ChatGPT to write ebook outlines, generate YouTube scripts, create prompt packs, write product descriptions, generate hooks for social media content, and create email sequences. And suddenly, you're no longer starting from zero. You're starting with momentum. That's the real power of AI. Not replacing effort, multiplying effort. Now, once ChatGPT gives you the idea, you need to turn it into something people can actually buy. That's where the second tool comes in, Canva. Canva is probably one of the most powerful free tools on the internet, and most people still underestimate it. You can use Canva to create ebooks, guides, digital planners, prompt packs, thumbnails, product covers, social media posts, and presentations without knowing graphic design. That's important because your product does not need to look perfect. It just needs to look professional enough to be trusted. The value is in the information, not fancy animations. So here's the workflow. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva designs the content. Simple. You take the text, drop it into a template, adjust the fonts and colors, export as a PDF, and done, you now have a digital product. And most beginners never realize how powerful this moment is. Because 10 years ago, creating products online required expensive software and technical skills. Now, one person with AI can do everything from a smartphone. That shift is massive. But creating products is only half the game. You also need attention. And this next tool completely changed content creation for me. ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voiceovers. And honestly, the quality is insane. Because a lot of people want to create content online, but they don't want to use their real voice, show their face, or spend money on recording equipment. That's where AI voiceovers become powerful. You write the script using ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, and suddenly you have a cinematic voiceover that sounds professional. That voice can be used for YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, advertisements, explainer videos, and even audiobooks. And consistency matters. A consistent voice creates identity. It makes your content feel premium. That's why faceless AI channels are growing so fast right now. Because AI lowered the difficulty of creating high-quality content consistently. Now at this point, you have product ideas, product designs, content scripts, and voiceovers. The final step is turning all of that into income. That's where Gumroad comes in. Gumroad is one of the easiest places to start selling digital products. And the best part is that you don't need money up front. You upload the product, add a thumbnail, write a description, set a price, and publish it. That's it. No complicated website setup, no inventory, no coding. And this is where the entire system connects together. ChatGPT creates the ideas. Canva packages the ideas. ElevenLabs promotes the ideas. Gumroad sells the ideas. That's the system. Simple, scalable, repeatable. Now let me tell you something important. Your first digital product probably won't be amazing. And that's normal. Because the goal of your first product is not perfection. It's proof. Proof that you can create something valuable. Proof that people are interested. Proof that the internet can reward creativity and consistency. That first small win changes your mindset forever. Because once you realize you can create digital assets from your laptop, you stop looking at the internet the same way. Every problem becomes a product idea. Every skill becomes monetizable. Every piece of knowledge becomes valuable. And AI speeds up the entire process. Here's another thing most beginners misunderstand. You do not need millions of followers. You need a focused audience. One useful product. One clear niche. One repeatable system. That's how most successful creators actually start. Not viral. Consistent. That's the difference. So if I were starting from absolute zero today, here's exactly what I would do. Day 1. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 product ideas. Day 2. Pick one idea and build it in Canva. Day 3. Create short-form content around that topic. Day 4. Use ElevenLabs to create voiceovers. Day 5. Upload the finished product to Gumroad. Then repeat the process again and again and again. Because digital income compounds. One product becomes 2. 2 become 5. 5 become 10. And eventually, you've built an ecosystem instead of chasing random money online. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel ready. You do not become ready first. You become ready by starting. The tools already exist. The opportunity already exists. The only question is whether you'll actually use it. Because right now, somebody with less experience than you is learning these tools and building online income. Not because they're smarter, because they started earlier. If this video helped you understand how powerful free AI tools really are, subscribe right now. Every week, I break down practical AI systems, digital income strategies, and tools that help creators build online businesses faster. No fake gurus, no unrealistic promises, just systems that make sense. Your first online income stream could start with one decision. Start today.
And I'll see you in the next video.